you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Aglasim Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 3, that is pairs of linear equation. So starting with the fourth exercise, that is 3.4, our first question says solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and substitution method. So part 1 says x plus y is equal to 5 and second equation says 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So the answer is these two are the equations given to us. So by multiply equation 1 by 2 and subtracting from equation 2 we will get, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. By changing the sign we will get minus 5y is equal to minus 6. Moving further, y is equal to 6 upon 5. So now putting the value of y in equation 1 we will get x plus 6 upon 5 which is equals to 5. So here our x will be 19 upon 5. Therefore we have x as 19 upon 5 and y as 6 upon 5. Second part says 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. And second equation says 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. So again we have these two equations. We have to multiply equation 1, this one, by 3 and subtract from equation 2. So here it is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 15y equals to 12. Now we have to change the sign, that is 13y is equal to minus 5. Further moving, y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. So now putting the value of y in equation 2 we will get 9x minus 2 into minus 5 upon 13 is equal to 7. Further solving it, we will get x as 9 upon 13. So now we have x as 9 upon 13 and y as minus 5 upon 13. Third part says 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Again we have to multiply equation 2 by 2 and adding with equation 1. So here we will get 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. So now we don't have to change the sign because we have to add the statement. We will get 7x is equal to 14. So now we have x as 2 and we have to put the value of x in equation 1 so that we can get y. So here 3 into 2 plus 4 into y is equals to 10. So y we will come as 1. So here x we have 2 and y we have 1. Moving further to our fourth part which says x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. And another equation is x minus y upon 3 which is equals to 3. So here we have two equations. We have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We will get 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. And we have to minus from 3x minus y is equal to 9. So now we have to change the sign and our y value will be minus 3. So now putting the value of y in equation 1, that is this equation, we have to put the value of y instead of y. That is 3 into x plus 4 into y. So y we have minus 3 which is equals to minus 6. So now solving this we will get x as 2. Therefore we have x 2 and y minus 3. Moving to our question number 2 which says find the solutions by the elimination method. Part 1 says if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So here the answer is we have to let the numerator that is equals to x and denominator that is equals to y. So the fraction will be x upon y. So first condition says x plus 1 divided by y minus 1 which is equals to 1. From this we can find our first equation, that is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Second condition says x divided by y plus 1 which is equals to 1 upon 2. So here 2x is equal to y plus 1. So we can find that second equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 1. So now we have to multiply 1 by 2 and subtracting from equation 2. So here we have to subtract from this we can find x value, that is 5. So now we have to put the value of y in equation 1. We get x minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Therefore x is 3. So here we have x as 3 and y as 5. So we can write it in the numerator and denominator form, that is x upon y, or we can say we can write it in a fraction form. So therefore our fraction value will be 3 upon 5. Second part says 5 years ago Noori was twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So here we have to let the age of Noori be X and the age of Sonu be Y. So 5 years ago, age of Noori that is equals to X minus 5 and age of Sonu is equal to Y minus 5. So here we can make an equation that is X minus 5 is equal to 3 into Y minus 5. After solving this, we can have our first equation that is X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. After 10 years, age of Noori will be X plus 10 years and age of Sonu will be X plus 10 years. So according to the question which says X plus 10 is equal to 2 into Y plus 10. So solving it, we will get our second equation that is X minus 2Y is equal to 10. So now we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We will get X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10 and X minus 2Y is equal to plus 10. So again we have to subtract. It means we have to change the sign and our Y value will come as 20. So now we have to put the value of Y in equation 1. We will have X minus 3 into 20 which will give you 50. Therefore, X value is 50 years and Y value is 20 years. So here, the value of X, that is, the age of Noori is 50 years and the age of Sonu is 20 years. Third part says the sum of the digit of the two number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of this digit. Find number. So here we have to let 1's place be X and 10's place be Y. So the number is 10Y plus X. Therefore, the sum of digit is given, that is 9. So our equation will be X plus Y is equal to 9. So number obtained by reversing the digit is 10X plus Y. So now according to the question, we have 9 into 10 plus X is equal to 2 into 10X plus Y. So further solving it, we will get an equation that is 11X minus 88Y is equal to 0. Now solving it, X minus 8Y is equal to 0 will be our second equation. Now we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We will get X plus Y is equal to 9 and X minus 8Y is equal to 0. So equation already said that we have to subtract. So therefore we need to change the sign. So our Y value will be 1. So now we have to put the Y value in equation 1. We will get X as 8. So the number is 10Y plus 8, that is 10 into Y, which is 1. So 10 into 1 plus X, that is 8. So after solving it, you will get the digit number that is 18. Moving to our fourth and the last part, which says Meena went to the bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. How many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received? So here we have to let the number of notes of rupees 50 is equal to X and the number of notes of rupees 100 be Y. So total number of notes is 25. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 25. So here the equation is 50 into X plus 100 into Y is equal to 20,000. So our second equation will be X plus 2Y is equal to 40. So now we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We will get Y as 15. Further solving it, we have to put the value of Y in equation 1, that is X plus 15 is equal to 25 and X is equal to 10. So the number of rupees 50 notes is 10 and the number of rupees 100 notes is 15. So guys, this is all from this exercise. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Sim Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.